Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing awesome. Just want to talk briefly here about things that could save you a lot of gas. How can you get the best gas mileage out of your vehicle? So this is before we get started, please make sure to subscribe guys for more videos. I post lots about how you can fix your vehicle. If you haven't posted about that, please make a comment. If you have any other suggestions about how you can save gas too as well, make a comment guys. I would be more than happy to read that and share it with other people that are watching my videos as well, and read in the comment of course. And so last time I posted the free VIN check, guys, it's been working great for people. So check it out. Make sure to like the video and subscribe as well too. So some of the things that actually cause your vehicle to consume more fuel. There are multiple things, and you know, when you buy a car, it's good gas mileage. After it gets worse and worse and worse over the years, and I'm gonna chat about the causes for that. So if you care about the gas mileage or you drive a lot, make sure to check these things I'm gonna be talking about. The first thing I want to talk about is the spark plugs, guys. Spark plugs are very important. If you have a hard time starting your vehicle in the morning, make sure to check your spark plugs as well and replace them often, because they can save you a lot of gas, especially if they are burned and like toasted and there is oil on them. They're gonna consume so much gas, and your car you will kill the O2 sensor, the catalytic converter, and lots things. So make sure to replace them once in a while. And the second thing I want to chat about, lots of people don't pay attention to that, is the air filter. The air filter, guys, it's very important. Your car will consume 20% extra fuel just because you have a dirty air filter, excuse me. And the third thing I want to talk about is this is the one of the biggest thing too as well. The tire pressure, guys. Tire pressure, you have to check it out. For me as a mechanic, I put my tire pressure in 38 all the time. 38 is my best. It's my favorite. It's been working for me great. I don't care about the manufacturer recommendation. You can follow them, but 38 is been great for me. This is for sedan, all right? And the fourth thing is the oil change, guys. You know, if you are not using the right oil for your engine will be working harder, and obviously is going to be consuming more gas. So make sure to actually put the right oil. And I never use regular oil. I always use synthetic, not because to save money or anything, but synthetic will save you actually more money in the long run. So the fifth thing I want to talk about is the speed limit, guys. Speed limit, I mean, usually they recommend 60 mile an hour, or 90 to 100 kilometer an hour is the best speed to get the best fuel mileage, but that's up to you. I don't want to tell you to slow down or go faster, but yeah, if you want to save gas, you guys drive 90 or 100 kilometer an hour. And the sixth thing, if you have a roof rack or things you don't need in your vehicle, make sure to take them out, because they're gonna if you don't care about them, they are really consuming more gas than you think. Imagine all these 6 things I'm talking about right now consuming like 5, 10, 20% extra fuel. That's crazy. That's around the year you will be wasting so much money just because you didn't take care of these things. All right. And the 6th thing I'm going to talk about is on O2 sensor, guys. O2 sensor is you find usually by the catalytic converter, or you find in the exhaust system and you find it, and it shoots you an engine light usually. But if you have like a bad O2 sensor and you have an engine light, make sure to replace it, because you will I think like 35% extra fuel consumption. So yeah, these things I want to chat with you about, guys. Make sure to check them out, and if you have any questions or you have any other suggestions, please make a comment and let people see them, and we can chat about that too as well. All right, hope this video was helpful for everyone. Like and subscribe, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.